unless we're looking at a very specific type of.
Why wouldn't you leverage up on something that's so stable with steady cash flows? For situations like
for
that?
Right now, that's why you do it, because when nobody goes to the airport and you have, significant cash reserves and you're not over levered, you're really happy. I will say we've managed these.
This is such a once in 100-year thing. Aren't you leaving a lot of return on the table?
It's not that we don't use leverage.
Okay.
We just don't over leverage.
Okay.
I would say over levered assets probably are somewhere between 75 and 85% leverage, maybe slightly higher. We typically, our portfolio is probably 60 to 65.
Okay. You do.
So it's not that we're not using it, but it gives us a lot of flexibility. Through this period, we haven't had to have a capital call. We've been able to manage our assets to cash flow, and our banks have been great working with us. So we've got good partners.
You're in a good seat.
Yeah.